Right, hi everyone, it's Bob from Greybeard Models. Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do an update on the universal carrier, but before I do that, just like to say I'm up at Telford this weekend, um, and if you do see me, come and introduce yourself and say hi and all the rest of it. Um, I'm not sure where I'll be. I've got a number of things that I want to have a look at, and I'll be wandering around probably looking lost. And if you do bump into me and say hello, I know Jason over at Model Kit Stuff is meeting up with some people at the Airfix stand. I'm not sure about 2 o'clock. I think he said he was going to be there. But yeah, go there and say hi to Jason as well. Really nice guy. I met him there a couple of years ago. Really nice guy. So go and say hi to him. I'm going to be I'm looking for some specific things. I'll be going to Premium Hobby stand. I need I need to buy some bits and pieces off of them, and I'm generally wandering about. I don't I don't think I'm after any kits, um, but if you've been to Telford before, you'll know what it's like. You'll see things and you think, yeah, I really did need that kit. Anyway, enough of the waffling on. Um, I've got some problems with the universal carrier, and I think the best thing to do is go over to the workbench and let me explain. Right, so I have a problem with this. In 1/16 scale, it's quite huge, and I thought it would be good before I put the engine in place to have a look at things like the wiring and other sort of fuel lines and things. And I mean, it's great. It's got all the detail here, so you know, for driving and steering and all of that sort of business. But I've got no detail for where the wiring went for things like the dashboard, the radio, the wiring to the radios. I haven't actually started putting the radio together yet, but I will. But I will be. But what I then need to look at is got a radio in there, and you've got crew members with headsets on and stuff like that. Where would the wiring go? So I've been looking online and getting fairly fuzzy pictures of the wiring and no real detail. So I'm stuck as far as I am, as far as my build is gone, because I'd like to get a view of one, or at least some pictures to indicate where wiring harnesses go and all of that sort of thing. I mean, it's a huge scale, 1/16. It does lend itself to, you know, doing loads more than you would in maybe 1/35th, and even in 1/35th you're doing wiring, and 1/24th you're doing wiring and hoses and all of that sort of thing. So it sort of lends itself to doing it, but I can't find any references, I can't find any pictures. And so this is a massive shout out really to anybody out there who can either point me in the right direction to where I can actually see one of these and have a good look at it, or somebody who's maybe got wiring diagrams or details of where the harness is run and all of that sort of thing. I'd really appreciate that. So if there is anybody out there that can help me, um, I would really appreciate it. Now, here in the UK, I had a look around for one. Imperial War Museum weren't really forthcoming. The Tank Museum, as far as I can tell, don't have one. And the only one that I know that is in a museum that is in running order is one at Muckleborough up in Norfolk. And unfortunately, Muckleborough is closed for the winter, which means unless I can can persuade them to allow me to go in there at some point during the winter, I don't know. But yeah, it's the only one. So I'm sort of waiting now for them to open in the spring, so I can get up there and maybe spend a day going over their example and taking pictures of where harnesses go and wiring goes and all of that sort of thing. Which really means I'm stuck with this at the moment and I don't want to go any further. And it's not because I can't. I could easily finish this and put it together like it is in the kit, but I'd like to add those extra bits of detail. So yeah. So if any, so the message is help. I could do with some help. So if anybody out there has got some information or can help in any way, I would really, really appreciate it. So anyway, that's it for the update on this, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like what you've seen. See you later. Bye for now.